sloppy mess. That's what Long Island residents are dealing with today. The kind of thick pileup on trees and power lines that has drivers just doing their best to avoid the obstacles. And for those trudging around on foot, the floppy umbrellas weren't much of a match either today.
I'm not a fan. Obviously, I don't have a car, or I'd be in one. It just makes it hard to get to work and everything. And, everything else, kids, after school programs, and just...
You're done.
Yeah, after, a couple weeks ago, enough.
It was all about staying ahead of the game, whether it was shoveling or, in some cases, trying to shake off the weight of this snow before it takes any more of these trees down. Safer, right?
Yeah, safer. Yeah.
You don't want to hurt the tree.
No, I think I heard something snap. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
A big branch fell over there, A giant piece of pine tree was in the road last night.
And we're back here live now where